Okay, tip or recommendation number 5 is to understand what happens if you don't. Yes. In the previous video I spoke about visualization and how that was particularly important for you. What I'd ask you to do or invite you to do right now is to understand the consequences if you fail to take the action right now today and what impact that has in every aspect of your life. Something that people go through, this pain process, reacting to pain, and it's something particularly that we experience within Western culture. Tend to go to the doctor once we have a pain, we tend to stop training once we have an injury, and the list goes on. We're reactive to pain in Western culture. What I want you to do is to be reactive in the present moment. Be reactive. Understand what life will look like if you carry on your current journey. If you fail to take the action, if you fail to commit to aspects of your life that aren't working in your favour, if you're holding on to past negative beliefs but are yet to install or hire a coach that can help you work with those, then why not? Why are you restricting yourself? Why are you giving yourself that additional limitation? If you haven't got a coach specific to your sport, but you're expecting yourself to reach the next level, then why haven't you invested in that coach yet? Why have you retained that part of your journey? What are you waiting for? So what I want you to do today is not only take the action needed in order to move forward in your next step, but also have a full understanding of what's going to happen if you fail to take the action right now today.